10 words with definitions and 5 sentences each. 1. Resilient. Definition: able to recover quickly from difficulties. Sentences. 1. She is a very resilient person and always bounces back from setbacks. 2. The economy has shown remarkable resilience in the face of challenges. 3. The plant is resilient to drought and can survive in harsh conditions. 4. It's important to be resilient in the face of adversity. 5. The country has demonstrated resilience in rebuilding after the disaster. 2. Innovative. Definition: introducing new ideas or methods. Sentences. 1. The company is known for its innovative products. 2. She is an innovative thinker and always comes up with new ideas. 3. The project was a success due to its innovative approach. 4. The city is a hub of innovation and creativity. 5. The invention was highly innovative and changed the industry. 3. Compassionate. Definition: showing kindness and concern for others. Sentences. 1. She is a very compassionate person and always helps those in need. 2. The doctor was compassionate and caring. 3. The organization provides compassionate care to the homeless. 4. It's important to be compassionate towards others. 5. The act of kindness was a compassionate gesture. 4. Optimistic. Definition: hopeful about the future. Sentences. 1. She is a very optimistic person and always sees the bright side of things. 2. The outlook for the economy is optimistic. 3. He is optimistic about his chances of success. 4. It's important to maintain an optimistic attitude. 5. The news was not optimistic, but she remained hopeful. 5. Persistent. Definition: continuing to do something despite difficulties. Sentences. 1. She is a very persistent person and never gives up on her goals. 2. The problem is persistent and difficult to solve. 3. The rain was persistent and continued throughout the day. 4. It's important to be persistent in the face of challenges. 5. The disease is persistent and difficult to treat. 6. Empathetic. Definition: able to understand and share the feelings of others. Sentences. 1. She is a very empathetic person and can always relate to others' feelings. 2. The therapist was empathetic and supportive. 3. It's important to be empathetic towards others. 4. The book is empathetic and moving. 5. Empathy is essential for building strong relationships. 7. Adaptable. Definition: able to change or adjust to new situations. Sentences. 1. She is a very adaptable person and can easily adjust to new environments. 2. The company is adaptable to change and can respond quickly to market trends. 3. The plan is flexible and adaptable to different scenarios. 4. It's important to be adaptable in today's fast-paced world. 5. The technology is adaptable to various applications. 8. Resourceful. Definition: able to find or use resources effectively. Sentences. 1. She is a very resourceful person and can always find a solution. 2. The company is resourceful and has a strong supply chain. 3. The community is resourceful and has many support systems in place. 4. It's important to be resourceful in difficult times. 5. The organization is resourceful and efficient. 9. Courageous. Definition: brave and fearless. Sentences. 1. She is a very courageous person and is not afraid to take risks. 2. The firefighters were courageous in saving lives. 3. The soldier showed great courage on the battlefield. 4. It takes courage to stand up for what you believe in. 5. The act of kindness was courageous and selfless. 10. Determined. Definition: having a strong will to do something. Sentences. 1. She is a very determined person and never gives up on her goals. 2. The team was determined to win the championship. 3. The project was a success due to the team's determination. 4. It's important to be determined and persistent. 5. The athlete was determined to break the world record.